Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Slack workflows with Workflow Builder, detailed guide step by step clearly. To get started with setting up Slack workflows using Workflow Builder, first, open the Slack app on your desktop or mobile device. Next, navigate to the workspace where you want to create the workflow. Click on the workspace name at the top left corner to reveal the drop-down menu. From this menu, select Tools, then click on Workflow Builder. Once you are in Workflow Builder, click on the Create button to start. You will be prompted to name your workflow. Enter a descriptive name that reflects the purpose of the workflow. Now, you will choose a trigger for your workflow. Triggers can include specific actions like messages, reactions, or events. Select the trigger that best fits your desired workflow automation. After selecting the trigger, click on Add Step to continue building your workflow. You will see various options for actions you can add. Choose the action you want to incorporate, such as sending a message or collecting information. Fill out the necessary details for the selected action, like the channel for sending a message. You can continue adding steps to your workflow by clicking Add Step again. To edit any step, click on it directly in the Workflow Builder view. Once you have added all desired steps, click on the Publish button to make your workflow active. Review your workflow's details in the preview section to ensure everything is configured correctly. If adjustments are needed, you can make changes before publishing. After publishing, your workflow will automatically run whenever the trigger event occurs. To test the workflow, perform the trigger action to see if it operates as expected. If you encounter issues, return to Workflow Builder to troubleshoot any steps. You can also manage your workflows from the main Workflow Builder interface. Here, you may edit, delete, or deactivate previously created workflows. Keep in mind that you can always revisit and refine your workflows to improve efficiency. This will help in streamlining processes and enhancing team collaboration in Slack. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.